Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ashish Ranjan. So, we have actually started our new batch for NEET aspirants for 2021. If you guys are interested in NEET examination and just want to crack your NEET examination in your first attempt, or if you have already a dropper, so you can join our batch which is going to start from Monday. So, our batch name is Sankalp batch because Sankalp means determined. You are determined to your work. You are going to determination. You have a focus and you are determined for your goal. That's why we have named our batch as Sankalp batch. In this batch, we are going to deal with the full biology syllabus along with your previous year question papers and some mock test. So it is a very simple and very unique concept we are going to deal, because during this lockdown most of the parents has lost their job, but their wards wants to join medical coaching, so it is literally too expensive that a poor person cannot join this. So what we have did, so we are just starting our Sankalp batch in which we will provide you free online coaching and you don't need to pay even a single penny. So you just join with us and we'll start studying, we will start learning, will complete our syllabus before the NEET examination with previous years and some mock tests. So what this batch includes and how we will study, so let's check with our further slides you will going to learn. So the first question arises कि what will be our strategy for NEET or AIMS examination. As you know, now AIMS is also included in NEET, so you don't need to prepare for AIMS further with separate. You just prepare for your NEET exams and you will simply get AIMS. So this is very unique, this is very easy for the student who is actually dreaming for the NEET, for the AIMS examination. So what will be our strategy? First we will check what is our biology syllabus and what are the weightage of particular chapters. Then we'll see video lectures, from where you will get your video lectures and study materials. Then the most awaited question, how much time is required for your studies so that you can crack your examination. So first we'll answer what are our biology syllabus. So as you know, biology syllabus is like in 11th class we have to deal with the diversity in living organism, structural and organization of plant and animals, cell structures, plant physiology, animal physiology. If we are talking about the 12th, then we have to study about reproduction, genetics, biology and human welfare, biotechnology and ecology and environment. And if we check about the weightage, so here is a slide, or here is just a screenshot of the weightage of your syllabus. So if you are able to see that human physiology has the 20% weightage in NEET examination, and then diversity in living organism, after that cell structure and function, then plant physiology and the structural organization of plant and animal. So our strategy will be, first we'll finish all the chapter which has a higher weightage, then we'll move to the chapters which has lesser weightage. So our strategy will be, first we will complete the chapters which has higher weightage, which means first in 11th class first we'll deal with the human physiology, then we'll move to the diversity in living organism, and then afterward to the lower chapters. If we are talking about the 12th, so 12th, if you are able to see that genetics has literally a very much weightage, it is about 80% weightage here is showing, and then reproduction, human biology and human welfare, then other chapters. So our strategy will be, first we will deal with the chapters which has higher weightage, and after that we'll move to the lower one. And next question arises, from where you will get your study material and the video lectures. For this, if you want to join our video lecture course, you just subscribe our YouTube channel, which is of MS Home Tutorials. You just simply join our video lectures from here, and for study material you need to go to our website, that is of mshometutorials.com, where you will find that this NEET you will find that NEET is written here, NEET 2021. If you will click, then you will get this page, and you can download all the study materials to that is related to our course. And the next question that actually arises, how much time is required for the NEET exam? Basically, the time which is required for NEET exam depends on your capability. If you are too capable, so you just give 3 to 4 hours a day and you will simply crack. But if you are a middle student or if you are a low students, then you at least have to work hard to understand all the concept, and then you must need to go at least 10 hours a day, so that you will clear all your concept, you will clear all your topics which is required for the NEET examination. So minimum 10 hours is required. Or if you are a good student, and so apart from your coachings and other things, you at least you need to give at least 3 hours a day. So this is all about our introductory video, and our main class will be start from the Monday. So please join our video lectures, and for study material just go to our website. Hope you will love our concept, and this will help you in cracking your NEET examination. All the best. Thank you guys.